Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow Exodus Business Development to learn more. What is a seed phrase? A seed phrase, also called a recovery phrase, is a sequence of 12 to 24 randomly generated words that serve as the master key to access and restore your cryptocurrency wallet. It's a critical security feature used in most blockchain wallets, including hardware and software wallets, to protect your digital assets. How it works. When you create a cryptocurrency wallet, the wallet generates a seed phrase to back up the private keys associated with your funds. This phrase is essentially a human-readable version of your wallet's private key, allowing you to recover your funds if you lose access to your wallet device or app. For example, if you delete your wallet app or your device is damaged, you can reinstall the wallet on a new device and use the seed phrase to restore access to your assets. Why it's important. 1. Ownership. The seed phrase gives you full control of your wallet and funds. 2. Portability. You can restore your wallet on any compatible platform or device using the seed phrase. Security tips. 1. Never share it. Anyone with your seed phrase can access your wallet and steal your funds. 2. Store it offline. Write it down and store it in a secure, physical location. 3. Avoid digital storage. Do not save it online or on cloud services, as they can be hacked. Your seed phrase is the ultimate safeguard for your digital assets, so handle it with care. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow Exodus Business Development to learn more.